From the United States to Europe, down to Asia, AI deepfakes are no longer just entertainment. Just in 2025 alone, scammers use your voice, your photos, and social media content to impersonate you. Even your family members and your bank are not left out. But today I'll show you how exactly to protect yourself using real practical tools. You can apply this procedure in few steps. So now let's start with how deepfake attack happens. Deepfake attack follows 3 steps. The first stage is scrapping stage. This is where the scammers grab your online photos and videos and voice also. So the second stage follows a procedure where we call the training stage. The training stage is where an AI model recreates your face or your voice. Then the final stage is the impersonation stage. At this stage, they call your relatives, they make fake ransom videos or spoof bank verification calls, and a lot of people have lost their money through the deepfake scams and all that. So let's go into how you can defend yourself. So to defend yourself against such attacks, you need to follow this video step by step to the very last end. Don't skip any step if you really want to achieve 100% result. So the first step is to check if your voice or video is already online. You can use this one here, the pin eye to pineyes.com. All you have to do is upload your photo. Let me upload a photo I downloaded. So I uploaded my photo. As you can see, it's processing. So here you just confirm, accept terms, and you've read it. And so you also do the security checks. I'm human. So you go to search, start search. So it's searching. I'm using the free version of the tool. So as you can see, this photo that I use, a lot of similarities of these photos are online. As you can see, a lot of this. So if your picture appears in this results, so you need to follow the next step. Even though your picture don't appear, you need to follow the steps to the last to know if your email or every other details appears and how to protect yourself. So as you can see, it appears. Another tools you can use to check this is you can even use the Google Lens. It's still the same process. All you just need is to upload the picture here. Just upload. So as you can see in Google Lens also, picture also came out, right? The next thing you will need to check also is if your details are already online. So you're going to use a tool called haveibeenpawned.com. So here, I won't go into so much details, but as you can see, let's say I want to check my email address if it's already exposed online. So let's just put, let's say, business. So I have an email. Let's say this email, I want to check if it's already exposed. Let's say if my email is already exposed, you can put your Gmail. So as you can see, 0 data breach. So my email is not exposed or no breach on my email. Okay. So if your image or info appears, it means your identity is already exposed. and you must lock down the following settings. So to lock down the following settings, maybe on your phones, you can enable anti-scrapping settings on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So on Facebook, you just need to go to settings, then privacy, then you limit the past posts, right? Another setting you need to do on Facebook, it's when you go to settings, profile, and then you disable face recognition. So on Instagram, just go to settings, then privacy, then restrict embeds. Another setting you also need to do on Instagram is you go to settings, then security, then you turn two-factor authentication on. Then on TikTok, you just go to profile, you go to menu, you go to settings, you go to privacy, you go to data, you go to safety, turn off personalized ads, and also disable allow downloads. So nobody can download your pictures and all that. So this setting stops AI scrappers and scammers from collecting enough data to clone you. So we move to the step 2. So you need to protect your voice from voice cloning attacks. So to protect your voice from voice cloning attack, there are tools you can use to do that. We have the Microsoft Veil eVoice Protection Guide, but I'll be using another tool called Hive Moderation. All right, so it's on hivemoderation.com. You can do a lot. You can use the service for free. Just go to products here and you check what you really want to do. So here, if you want to check if your audio is AI generated, so you see this part, AI generated content detection. You can just go there. So you just need to upload whether it's picture or anything. So one thing you need to note is criminals only need 3 seconds of your voice to impersonate you. So avoid posting raw recordings. When you want to post a video or something online, use music-backed videos or add subtle background noise. This noise confuses AI training. Let's go to step 3. So step 3, you need to set up voice password for your family and bank safety. This is one of the strongest protection and almost no one uses it. Tell your family a secret phrase only you can confirm. For example, it could be pineapple 11, it could be blue dragon, it could be the sky is square tonight. So if they get a call saying you're in danger, you're injured, or you need money, or you're in jail, they must ask the phrase. All right. So in this scenario, a deepfake will fail. So if somebody is trying to use deepfake to scam or trick your family, deepfake will fail in this regard. So let's move to how to detect and verify deepfake videos. So to detect and verify deepfake videos, we'll be using deepware. All right. So here you go to deepware.ai. Deepfake detectors aren't perfect yet, but we know they help identify manipulated videos, especially cheap social media fakes. So it's very easy to use. All right, just like you see here. Here you see the fake and the original. So you can just go to the scanner. So if it's if the video has a link or something, you can put it there. You can just upload here. I downloaded a video for this. So as you can see, I uploaded it. It's uploading 14%, 18%, 19%. So when it gets to 100, what it's going to do, it's going to give you details. If it's a deepfake videos, by deepfake videos we mean manipulated videos or the videos created with AI All right, so it's going to give you details of it. So as you can see, it already scanned the video I posted. So so I don't know. This particular video cannot be scanned, but you get the idea, right? So it's going to, if it found out anything, it's going to give you the details here, if it's AI videos or whatever. So if you want the video to be taken down, you can just request takedown of the video. So let's move to how to prevent identity theft with device protection. So on your Android, you just go to settings, security, disable face lock, face unlock, disable face unlock on your phone. Then you use a fingerprint instead. So you need to disable face unlock on your phone and enable fingerprint instead. So on iPhone, you just go to settings, face ID, then you require attention, you turn it on, right? So some scammers use printed deepfake marks or AI projections to trick face unlock. So when you put these settings, it requires attention. Like these settings, it's going to be requiring attention. It's going to force the phone to detect live eye movement. AI deepfakes aren't slowing down, like we all know, but with the steps you saw today, you're already ahead of 95% of people. If you want more tech and cybersecurity tutorials like this, hit subscribe. And this is Cybertech-Arena. Stay safe. Peace out.